Hello everyone, my name is Apsana and today I'm going to talk about acid-base solutions. Acid-base solutions are common solutions that exist everywhere. As we all know that almost every liquid that we encounter in our daily lives consists of acidic and basic properties. They have completely different properties and they're able to neutralize to form salt and water. The common definition of acid, as we can see in the screen, is a compound that increases the number of hydrogen or hydronium ions when dissolved in water. Bases are any compounds that increase the number of hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. And pH is the measure of hydronium ion concentration in the solution. This is measured on a scale of 1 to 14. Today we are going to explore acid-base on PhET interactive simulations developed by University of Colorado Boulder. It is a really cool interactive software which helps to understand scientific topics more practically. For example, this one here right now that I'm trying to find out is acid-base solutions. What I explained to you earlier in the definitions, it can practically show you what properties my solution can have. It has tools which helps me to find out the properties by selecting what solutions I want. I can choose water, strong acid, weak acid, strong base, or weak base. We can view its properties by clicking on molecules, which will help us to find what molecules we have. So here I have selected water. And the molecules of water, we can see it has hydronium and hydroxide ions. And we can also see the graph to see the equilibrium concentration. Or we could just see the container here and use our interactive tools, which will help out to find the properties. Let's start with the first one. This is the pH tool. We just need to dip it in our solution and we can find out our pH. Also, we have a virtual litmus paper. When we dip it in here, we can compare this color with our pH color key, which will help us to find out what pH value we have. This is another tool. It has electrodes, negative and positive. When we dip it in our solution, it helps to find out if it conducts electricity. We have a light bulb connected and let's see if it conducts electricity. There you go. The bulb lights very low though, and let's see if it's any different with strong acids. Strong acids, however, have more hydronium ions. As we can see, this red particles, they represent hydronium ions. They have less pH value and they conduct electricity more than water. As we can see, the bulb is glowing more light than it used when we use water. We can also contrast the properties of strong acid with strong base and see the molecules in it. As I told you that bases had hydronium ions and this simulation proves it. We can see there are more blue molecules here. Also, the litmus paper turns almost blue and the pH value is 12. We can also use these tools on weak base and contrast the properties. As we can see, this tool is a very important and a very practical tool to explore the properties of acid-base solutions, and this has helped us to understand this topic more practically because it helps us to analyze our solutions in detail.